Thank you, Andrew. Thank you very much. Cynthia, that was beyond my expectations. Very, very well articulated. And a lot of work to do. Thank you. So as we close, I want to encourage everyone to put into practice what Cynthia has said. Use the Voice Actors League site as well. Put some comments in there. Showcase for those who couldn't make it as well. Just mention the 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 things that you've learned today, or even what you've implemented, and begin to practice. The reason we had this talk today was to give you at least the week to begin to prepare. And like Cynthia has said, polish things, clean things up, put some activity there so that by Friday next week, we're on and cracking. What I would like to do, which is one of the things I wish we had done last year after the VO Africa 2021, was attend to the things that we had learned afterwards together. Because we learned so much and a lot of people just, it began to disappear. Because like Ayuma has taught us, if you don't act on it, it will go. And it's not acted upon if you write in your book. So you need to begin to engage. So what we've planned is that we're going to encourage you, number one, if you can attend live, that's from Friday the 9th to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the afternoons, do. Because everything we've shared about is that interactive, connecting, live, dynamic presence that is a treasure. Many of us have said they won't be available, but you must reattend. If you've paid, maximize by reattending and do the post-conference tips that we've learned. Because there'll be so much, like last year, there was so much to assimilate. We at VALK want to break it down a little bit more, and we'll be doing that in October. So the plan looking forward is that after the week of the Voice Over Africa, which will be the 19th to the 23rd, 24th, reattend. And that means you go back to the Voice Over Africa site, you watch what you liked, you watch what you weren't able to see. The following week, we will have Juliet Odhiambo, who was introduced to us by Ayuma, giving us a talk on the money trauma. Why? To unlock those issues we may have about valuing ourselves, pricing ourselves, when a job actually comes and now you need to quote. To be free, to know how to quote and to represent yourself well as an African voice talent and not feel inferior. And then the following week, I would like to suggest that for the people in Nairobi, we have a physical voice over, one of the Voice Actors League's workshops together, real time, face to face, away from this, online, I can't see you, can't touch you scenario. And we'll be putting that in the WhatsApp group and find out if there's a quorum. That will be for the 25th of September. The following week, we will hit the ground and we'll start talking about what we've learned in the Voice Over Africa. So we'll talk about the VO performance, we'll talk about demos, we'll talk about marketing, we'll talk about pricing. Marketing and networking will continue in one. And thankfully, thank you, Cynthia. Cynthia will come and give us a more fleshed out checklists, templates, equipping you with all of that. She'll do a workshop for us in the weeks of October. She'll be back in Nairobi and we'll be able to settle on a time that's convenient for her. So keep it locked to the Voice Actors League sites. Pay attention to what's coming and make yourself available. Make yourself available. I think that's it.